love to cook recipes, but none of website and mobile apps consider my health condition and disease. Hi everybody, my name is Yasmeen Siam and I am a founder of Snap Food. Snap Food is a social platform that serves people with special health conditions to offer them suitable food recipes. Do you know what? 17 billion cost of diabetes in MENA region. The question is, why don't we spend money on healthy food rather than medicine? This is what Snap Food seeks to do. Health is very important for everyone, and to secure this, healthy food is the first step. So we target everyone who wants life healthy, but mainly we target those who suffer from diabetes, food sensitivity, and fatnesses. Also, we seek to expand the target group to help other disease patients in the next year. Let me show you how the patient can use the application in very easy steps. The first one, the user start off reviewing the groups of chefs and nutritionists. Then he can pick up the most suitable choice after entering his personal health condition, and the recipes will be sent to him. Our team composed of chefs, a nutritionist, additional to the programmers, and marketing specialists. We have 20 expert chefs and nutritionists from many countries in MENA region. Our business model based on subscription, and we take $50 for every subscription. 40% goes to chefs, 20% goes to nutritionists, 40% goes to Snap Food. Our traction, we have generated 82 orders for 4 months ago. We need 80,000 for expand Snap Food divided into marketing and development. Thank you. Eat healthy, eat smart with Snap Food.